Order! Una wan scatter meeting, abi?
I am going to show you another alternative to GROK AI. This app you are going to use is free of charge. You don't need to pay for any amount to generate with GROK using the Nigeria accent. Hello and welcome. I teach everything AI animation, creative tech, digital skills using your smartphone to generate massive income. Please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, like, comment and share to your friends so that they can gain value also. Let's move into the teaching right now. When you come to your Chrome browser, you type Gemini Gen AI. You click on the first one. This is how the interface will look like. Make sure you log into the app. You sign up as a first timer. You register with your Google account. It says verify you are a human. You tick it to verify you are a human. Now when it shows success, you tap on this register with Google. You choose your Google account you want to make use of. This is how the interface will look like. When you click on this three-eye burger, if you come over to this place, you are given 40 credits per day. And if you want to top up, it's just $10. They have $20, $30. So we'll come over here. It can generate the video gen, the imaging, the speech, the dialogue. When you scroll down, you see GROK for free. You select the video generator provider you need. So you come down here, GROK 3 is free. And this place is where you will describe the video you want to generate. This is the orientation, the resolution. In fact, it have a lot here you can use to generate your video. So I have a prompt I'm going to use. Let me pick up my prompt and paste it here. Click on this video gen. We want it to generate a video for us. So we want to make use of GROK AI, and GROK AI is free here. We are making use of the GROK 3. You can select the image reference here if you want to use any image reference. When you tap on this custom here, you see normal standard video. You can see it there with others. We'll leave it on the custom generation. Paste our prompt, the video we want it to generate. I'll paste it. The landscape, we have the ratio here, the landscape, the portrait, the square, the vertical and horizontal. That is the YouTube video, the YouTube shorts, Instagram Reels. We have the standard resolution. This high resolution is for the paid version, and what it's going to generate is 6 seconds, but it's giving us a free credit we are going to use, and this credit is 40 seconds. The credit is 40 seconds. So leave it this way and click on this generate with GROK. You click on this verify. And wait for it to generate. When you scroll down, you see your image are being created with AI. Let's see what it generated for us.
Order! Una wan scatter meeting, Abi?
So this is how to use the Gemigen AI to create Nigerian stories and animation. I hope you have gained more value in this tutorial. Kindly follow this channel, turn on the notification bell, like, comment, and share to your friends. See you in my next video. Bye.